Hey there! Let's look at this problem together. We need to find the values of x and y that make both sides of this equation the same. Don't worry, we'll do it one small step at a time. Let's start with the right side. We need to open up the brackets. We take each part from the first bracket and times it with each part from the second bracket. Now we just do each little times problem. 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4i is 20i, negative I times 3 is negative 3i, and negative I times 4i is negative 4i squared. Here's a super important trick. Remember that I squared is always equal to negative 1. So negative 4 times negative 1 becomes positive 4. Now let's put the number parts together and the I parts together. 15 plus 4 gives us 19. And 20i take away 3i gives us 17i. Don't forget, the right side still has that I out front. So now we times I with what we just got. I times 19 is 19i, and I times 17i is 17i squared. We use our special rule again. I squared is negative 1, so 17 times negative 1 is negative 17. We write the number part first, then the I part. The right side is negative 17 plus 19i. Now let's write our whole equation with the right side all cleaned up. See? It's looking much simpler now. On the left side, let's put the number parts together and the I parts together. The numbers are x and 2. So that's x plus 2. The I parts are I and negative 3i, which we can write as I times y take away 3. Now here's the big idea. If two sides are equal, the number parts on the left must equal the number parts on the right. So x plus 2 equals negative 17. To find x all by itself, we take away 2 from both sides. Negative 17 take away 2 gives us negative 19. So x is negative 19. Now let's do the same thing with the I parts. The I part on the left is y take away 3, and on the right it's 19. So y take away 3 equals 19. To find y, we add 3 to both sides. 19 plus 3 gives us 22. So y is 22. We did it. The answer is x equals negative 19 and y equals 22. Great job working through all those steps. The trick was to clean up the right side first, then match the number parts and the I parts.